Joining us here in the First Alert Storm Center, I'm meteorologist Justin Long. Taking a look at our weather headlines for overnight tonight, we have a chance of seeing isolated spotty freezing drizzle overnight tonight, but I think for much of north central West Virginia will remain dry overnight. Just the clouds increasing as a storm system heads down toward our south and east, and that's going to set up the stage. The jet stream dipping down toward the south, and that's going to leave us cold through much of the week with temperatures at freezing or slightly above freezing. And then we'll be tracking a few weekend rain or snow showers possible, but no big storm is heading toward our area. This will just be scattered activity as we head into the latter part of the weekend, and we'll continue to track that as it gets closer. Looking at our temperatures right now, 27 in Elkins, 18 up toward Davis, 24 in Grafton, 24 down toward Philippi, and here in Clarksburg we're sitting at 24 degrees and 24 up toward Fairmont and 23 up toward Morgantown. Live Viper radar showing that we have dry conditions throughout north central West Virginia. Clouds are on the increase as that storm system heads off toward our south and east, and those clouds will continue to increase for the night tonight and during the day tomorrow, but dry conditions will continue throughout our area. But as those clouds continue to increase through our area, we could have the chance of seeing an isolated freezing drizzle, but I think much of the region will remain dry overnight tonight. For tonight, though, 20 degrees for a low, spotty light freezing drizzle or a few isolated flurries, mainly toward the higher elevations, but they cannot be ruled out for north central West Virginia as the clouds continue to increase through our region. Looking at our temperatures for tonight throughout the area, 18 for a low in Davis, 21 toward Elkins, 20 in Philippi, and we'll be sitting here at 20 degrees in Clarksburg, 20 in Fairmont, 21 in Morgantown, a little bit few degrees warmer as you head down toward Webster Springs, sitting at 22 and 22 over toward Sutton. Looking at tomorrow's forecast, we'll barely get above freezing throughout much of north central West Virginia. We'll have a high of 34 degrees here in Clarksburg with mostly cloudy conditions, and once again we could see a spotty freezing drizzle as those clouds continue to increase mainly toward the morning hours, but they cannot be ruled out, so we have that isolated chance of seeing that freezing drizzle throughout the morning tomorrow. The clouds will keep us on the cool side, 30 in Davis, 36 down toward Elkins, 34 in Philippi. We'll be sitting here at 34 in Clarksburg, 34 in Buchanan and Weston, and we'll have 35 in Fairmont and 34 up toward Morgantown. Now, for the later part of the week, we'll be tracking the jet stream will go down toward our south, and that will allow that cold air to continue to move toward north central West Virginia. And it will remain chilly, but any storm system will head down toward the south, isolated activity. Thanks for joining us here in the First Alert Storm Center. I'm meteorologist Justin Long. Here in the First Alert Storm Center, we have winter weather advisories in effect for Preston County, Tucker, Garrett, over toward Mon, Marion, and Wetzel counties, and this advisory is currently in effect until 1 p.m. for the day, until the day on Monday. If you head down toward our Harrison County and point south, we're currently not under that winter weather advisory. I think we're going to see more rain than snow with this system, and a little bit colder up toward the north where we currently have that winter weather advisory in effect from the National Weather Service. Once again, that's until 1 p.m. on Monday. Live Viper radar picking up on that storm system moving toward our region. The Clipper system beginning to transform into a more intense storm as it heads off toward the east coast. Right now for our region, though, we have some rain showers down toward West Union, down toward Harrisville. It just moved out of that area. Some rain showers back toward Ohio that continue to gradually work its way into our region. A little bit cooler, though, right around the Pennsylvania border. We had some rain showers at Hundred. If you head up toward Wheeling, they are dealing with snow showers already with this system. And then we're picking up on a little pink here on the radar for Garrett County, Maryland. That's showing some freezing rain or sleet possible, and mixed with some rain at times. That will continue to work its way up toward the north here in north central West Virginia. Now for our weather headlines, we're tracking that system rain becoming a wintry mix probably after the midnight hour and into the day on your Monday. That rain showers will turn to a little snow tomorrow afternoon with that leftover moisture. Little or no snow accumulation expected, though, for much of the area, but we have those areas under that advisory that can pick up more snow than the rest of us here. In the mountains right now, we're going to see the heaviest snow, and I think that heaviest snow with a lot of that moisture moving in, here's the time frame from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. Monday. So now here's the snowfall accumulations that we are expecting. Little or no snow accumulations from US 50 points to the south. I think right along US 50 and into Clarksburg, we could see around an inch in isolated areas, but I think the majority of us will see less than an inch. And then up toward the Pennsylvania border and points north, 1 to 2 inches where there's advisories in effect. And then up into Pennsylvania, they are going to get much more snow than we are with 3 to 6 inches. Pittsburgh, points north and east there in Pennsylvania. And the higher elevations for our area, 2 to 3, Garrett County, down toward the ridges, they'll see that 1 to 2 inches. And this is nothing compared to the East Coast. They'll be dealing with snow in the form of feet. So it's going to be really nasty up and down the East Coast, but for our area, we are going to be spared from the majority of this snow with this system. There it is, that where everyone's talking about, that Clipper system heading down through southern part of West Virginia, and right now we're on the mild side of this storm. That will continue to change throughout the day as that system will shift off toward our east during the day on Monday, and that will allow those winds to come down from the north and bring in that colder air, changing that rain to snow showers throughout the day. There it is, 37 on Monday, rain and snow. That will change over. Temperatures drop on the day on Monday. So Tuesday morning, we could have areas of black ice with only 20 degrees at night. Any leftover rain could fall in the form of snow showers as a weak system tries to move through on Tuesday, 27. We dry things out on Wednesday, quite cold though, 30. And then Thursday and Friday, we're tracking that Clipper system, another Clipper system as this active pattern continues. Initially, will be too warm once again on Thursday, 39. Rain changing to snow showers activity for the day on Thursday night into Friday. And we try to dry things out for Saturday and Sunday with highs right around the freezing mark, but we'll actually break out with some sunshine for the weekend.